Welcome back to the social session. Children, we were learning about the diversity in our society in the last class. We have seen the example of Suman, the vegetable Suman, and the student Suman. And I also asked you to narrate a story where you met one of your friend from other region. Yesterday in homework, I asked you to narrate if you have any such story where you met a different cultured person. That mean अगर बिहार से आए सो नहीं तो महाराष्ट्रियन से अगर आपको दोस्ती बनाए in the play area or otherwise in your street, if you have made any such kind of friends, I asked you to write down. And today we learn about the diversity even in the state, in our own state Telangana. We can see vast diversity among the people. This textbook itself has been published. Our social textbook जो है वो 7 languages में publish हुआ था, क्योंकि ये इधर तेलंगाना में 7 different languages speaking people are there. For that reason, this textbook, the social textbook itself, has been printed in more than 7 languages. In addition, there are several tribal communities are there. ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज बोले तो मालूम है नहीं आपको, लंबाड़ी वाला है उसका भाषा अलग रहती, उसका लैंग्वेज अलग रहती. येरुकला कम्युनिटी है उसका भाषा अलग रहती. नहीं तो गोंड है, बोले तो क्या बोलते जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, देखो. ओके, सच ट्राइबल पीपल पोसेस देयर ओन लैंग्वेजेस. ओके, कोयावी दे हैव देयर ओन लैंग्वेज, गोंड हैज़ देयर ओन लैंग्वेज, लंबाड़ी हैज़ देयर ओन लैंग्वेज. Okay, so irrespective of those, there are many such different language speaking people present in the state. So many nomadic tribal people are also there, Lambadis, Banjaras. They also live in different parts of the state. During the time of the Golconda Sultans, जब Golconda Sultans था, okay, Azaf Shahis नहीं तो the what we call the different rulers who ruled the Hyderabad. So during the time of Sultans, people as far as they from as far away as Samarkand, Bukhara, Iran and Turkey have come and settled in Hyderabad and Secunderabad and other parts of the state. And the rulers themselves have come from the Central Asia as well as from the Southwest Asia. And Secunderabad they have settled. A large number of slaves from the African origin were brought to Hyderabad also, and some colonies people, some colonies like Hapsiguda in Hyderabad have been named after them. Hapsiguda, Hapsi. So this name is also come from the different region. So because most of the people from other regions have come and settled there, by intermixing with other people, all these diverse people have created a distinct and diverse culture in Telangana. The Telangana culture is completely different to children. So all throughout the state we don't find a single culture, especially in Hyderabad. Intermixing of the cultures you find, okay, and that's the beauty of Hyderabad. सभी लोग डिफरेंट कल्चर का लोग मिलके रहते हैं, मिलजुल के रहते हैं इधर. सो इसीलिए केसीआर कहते नहीं, गंगा जमुना का तहजीब जो है वो हैदराबाद. सो द तेलंगाना हैज़ ए इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट रिलीजियंस एंड डिफरेंट कल्चर्स. And you know, Telangana has its own variety of Telugu, Hindi and Urdu called Dakshini Urdu. हमारा हैदराबादी हिंदी भी डिफरेंट रहती, okay, and which are distinct from other languages spoken in other parts of the country. Hyderabad has been a major center for both Telugu and Urdu poetry. Such a diversity of people has resulted in a rich cultural tradition जो इधर से पैदा हुआ. It got spread all over the world also, which includes many religions, different festivals. Bonalu जो है, okay, yeah, that is also a different festival which is celebrated in Telangana region. And traditions and cultures, dress pattern, diverse food. हमारा हरीस और हलीम जो है, हमारा जो उस्मानिया बिस्किट है, these all are different kinds of food habits which we have introduced to the entire world. And Hyderabadi biryani is also very much famous. And these diverse food habits and kinds of architecture, building styles, these make us very different from the other parts of the country. At all the time in history, people went in search of the new lands. People went in search of the places where they can settle very fastly. बहुत सारे लोग कहाँ पे सेटल होते जी, जहाँ पे पानी मिलती है, जहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी रहती, उधर ज़्यादातर लोग सेटल होते. If you look at where the agricultural lands and water availability is there, only there the density of population will be very high. Most of the people get settled. So in search of to conquer and settle in the new places, some other times they left their homes due to floods, droughts, epidemics. जब भी फैलते थे प्लेग कलरा अगर ऐसे वायरस जो है वो फैलते थे, then immediately they used to vacate the villages and they used to move to a new place. They brought their own languages, regions, cultures along with them, and when they got settled in a new place, they gradually mixed up with the people in those areas and adopted many of their things and also taught many of their things to them. Intermixing में क्या होती है, उसका जो अच्छा है हम फॉलो करते और हमारे में जो अच्छी है वो फॉलो करना शुरू करते. Oh, new kind of culture got developed in Hyderabad. So we will see how the life of the people in different places has evolved with diversity, especially in the regions like Sikkim and Thar Desert, which we will discuss in the next class. Will show the diversity of the country. Thank you, children.